Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are safe at home. Today we are going to talk about the last unit, Unit 3, Lesson 1, the celestial body. First, what is the meaning of celestial body? Celestial bodies are the bodies that swim in the space, such as stars, planets, moons, and rocky or gaseous bodies. Okay, first we will talk about the stars. Stars are the shiny body that appears in the sky that has a different size, large size, small size. They appear small because they are very far from us. The biggest star, or the star that we found it that's very big to us, it's the sun. The sun is the star, but it appears big because it's very near to us. Other stars appear small because they are very far from us. So, what is the meaning of stars? Stars, they are big-sized body that emits enormous amount of light and heat. So they are called stars because they emit light and heat. Second, how we measure the distance between the stars? The distance between stars are very large. We can't measure it by each unit, so we used the distance, the light year. To measure the distance between the stars, we use measuring unit called light year. The light year is the distance covered by the light in 1 year, and it equals 9.467 times 10 power 12 kilometer. And the distance between the stars are very large, so to measure it, we measure the distance by using light year, as it is the distance covered by the light in 1 year, which equal 9.467 times 10 power 12 kilometer. Okay, the groups of stars together forming galaxies. Groups of stars forming galaxies. It is the greatest unit of the universe. The universe consists of greatest unit, which is called galaxies. I have many different galaxies. The famous galaxy or our solar system is present in the Milky Way galaxy. So galaxies are the biggest unit of the universe. They consist of millions of stars. Our galaxy that our solar system present in, it's called Milky Way, or the wave-shaped hay. It takes oval shape like this, with the spiral arms. The sun lies in the one of the spiral arms. So our solar system present in the one of the spiral arm of our Milky Way galaxy. So our solar system present in Milky Way galaxy, and it took spiral shape. Okay? How we fix the stars and the space and the other celestial bodies and figure out the shapes of them? We use the telescopes. I have two types of telescopes, reflecting telescope and refracting telescope. They are used to identifying the celestial bodies. Now we will talk about the solar system. Our solar system consists mainly of the sun, which is present in the center, and 8 planets revolving around the sun, and moons and other celestial bodies. In this lesson, we will talk about the other celestial bodies like asteroids, meteors, meteoroids, comets. All of these celestial bodies, we talk about it in this lesson. First, we will talk about the sun, the main important part in the solar system. The sun is the biggest body in the solar system. It lies in the center of the solar system, where the 8 planets revolve around it. What about the planets? The planets are the dark body, revolve around the sun, and their number is 8, and they revolve around the sun in elliptical path, perpendicular to the sun axis, like this. So I have in our solar system, the main point is the sun, which is in the center, and the 8 planets revolve around the sun in the fixed places, which is called orbit. and they pass in elliptical path. Their path is elliptical, perpendicular to the sun. We classified the planets into two parts, the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets, the nearest four planets, which is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So they are solid. They have atmosphere except Mercury. All of them, all the inner planet has atmosphere except Mercury. Their density is high because they are rock bodies, and they are small in size. What about the outer planet? The farthest four planets from the sun, which is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they solidified gases, consist of solidified gases like hydrogen and helium. They have low density because they gaseous body, and they are large in size, the giant planets. So we classify the 8 planets into inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets, the first 4 planets, which is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. The outer planets is the farthest 4 planet, which is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Inner planets have high density. Outer planets have low density. They are small in size. They are large in size. Now we will talk about the celestial bodies. First we will talk about the sun and the 8 planets. Now we will talk about the celestial bodies. First, asteroids. Asteroids, they are the rocky masses rotate around the sun between the Mars and the Jupiter in a region which is called the Wanderer of asteroid belt. They separate the inner planets from their outer planets, like this figure. Now we will talk about the other celestial, which is called meteors. Meteors, they are the small rocky masses that fall within the atmosphere and burn due to the friction with the air molecules, as they appear like luminous meteors or as the shooting star in the space, in the sky, okay? Now we will talk about the large rocky masses. We talk about the small rocky masses, which is meteors. Now we will talk about the large or the heavy or huge solid rocky masses, which is called meteoroids. They fall and didn't burn completely as they penetrate the atmosphere, so part of them reach the Earth's surface, which have a very huge weight, which may reach 80 tons, and exist at the southern east of Africa. Now we will talk about the third celestial bodies, which is called comets. Comets, they are masses composed of the rocks, ice, and solidified gases rotate around the sun in an elongated orbit. Comets consist of 2 parts, which is head and tail, like this, like you see in the figure. The head consists of the ice sphere, contains solidified gases, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane gases, rocky parts, dust and water, but the tail gases cloud behind the head. The most famous comet was Halley. It completes its rotation about 76 years. Now we will talk about the last part, which is moons. Moon, they are called the followers of the planets. They rotate around the planet, and they rotate according to the planet gravity. Each planet has different number of moons. First, Mercury and Venus, they don't have any moon rotate around them. Earth have only 1 moon. Mars has 2. Jupiter has 62. Saturn has 60, Uranus have 27, and Neptune have 12. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video.